If you're choosing between Adsense and Ezoic, this isn't just ad network versus ad network. It's simplicity versus optimization. So, which one actually makes more money? Let's break it down. Google AdSense is designed to be simple. You place ads on your website, Google handles the matching, and you start earning. That makes it extremely beginner-friendly and one of the easiest ways to monetize a website. But here's the catch. Once your traffic grows, many publishers feel they eventually hit an earning ceiling. Ezoic takes a different approach. It uses AI-based testing to optimize ad placement layouts and user behavior to increase revenue. For sites with growing traffic, this can potentially increase earnings compared to using basic ad placements alone. The downside is that setup can be more complicated, and some users complain about site speed or configuration issues. So, which one makes more money? Choose Google AdSense if you want simple setup and easy monetization. Choose Ezoic if you want higher earning potential and don't mind extra setup. Bottom line, for small or new websites, AdSense is usually the easier choice. But for many growing websites, Ezoic often ends up making more money because of its optimization tools and AI-driven testing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.